English grammar, vocabulary, enough. One of my friends loves to run marathons. He once asked me if I was interested in trying a half marathon. I said, no, I'm not in good enough shape to run 20 kilometers. I told this story to one of my private students, and we practiced how to use enough in natural English. In English, enough can mean as many or as much as somebody needs or wants. This definition comes from oxfordlearnersdictionaries.com. In this word, the letters GH make an F sound. I'm not in good enough shape to run 20 kilometers. We use enough after adjectives and adverbs. I'm not in good enough shape to run 20 kilometers. This is the same as I'm not fit enough to run 20 kilometers. So I need to be in better shape or more fit to run 20 kilometers. My fitness level needs to be higher. Right now, it's not as high as it needs to be. Shelley added more sugar because the pudding wasn't sweet enough. The pudding is not as sweet as Shelley wants. Kevin is 30 minutes late. Let's go without him. We've waited long enough. We don't need to spend more time waiting. Enough often goes in front of nouns. How many people are coming to the meeting? I want to make sure we have enough chairs. I hope I have enough time to visit the CN Tower when I'm in Toronto. Are you brave enough to do the edge walk? Enough can be used by itself. Do you need any more money before your trip? No, I have enough. Here, enough is a pronoun that means all the money that I need. In English, we say enough for something. Greg doesn't have enough time for another task. He's already too busy. Sarah isn't old enough for a part-time job. She's still in junior high school. My old apartment wasn't big enough for 2 people. I had to move after I got married. But we say enough to do something. Greg doesn't have enough time to start another task. He's already too busy. Sarah isn't old enough to work part-time. She's still in junior high school. My cousin and his girlfriend are not old enough to get married. You'll have enough time to get married when you're older. Thanks for watching. You can review this content at worldenglishblog.com. There's a link to this blog post in the description. There is also a link to the audio portion of this video posted on SoundCloud. Listen and review anytime. Have a great day.